I'm going to be taking this ash and turning it into a handle for this sledgehammer. It's already busted and broken, and what I want to do is just replace it. So rather than using hickory, I had this ash lying around, and I'm going to turn it. This is the biggest piece I have put on this drill wood lathe. So let's see how it turns out. Welcome to Dim Tips, the channel that repairs, revives and restores. Please join me in watching this video where I just love to make and fix things. So I want to just see how I get on with turning on this. Please don't forget to smash the like button as soon as you can, and let's get into it. So I'm just actually sanding it down just to finish off the handle, because I just wanted to be as smooth as possible and take out any kinks that I may have left as I was actually turning it. The next step for me is to attach it to the actual sledgehammer once I've actually sealed it but I'll be doing that in my next video, which will be just across the top. Here's the actual finished item. Please feel free to check in and check out any of my other videos. Thanks for watching.